Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know we always appreciate it when you tune in. Today we're going to show you kind of the final boss version of our truck. I know we've said that before, but this time we really think we've got it nailed for success. So stay tuned and we'll show you what we've done. Okay guys, so let's show you what we've done. If you look at the truck, we put a BUSHVELD 2 rooftop tent, RCI 12-inch bed rack, which keeps it nice and low for us. Aerodynamics under our ground, or in our underground. And I still had that stuff from when I used to have the canopy that I kind of wanted to have with us all the time. You know, your stove, your tarps and stuff, just for when you're out like on a day trip. But it'd still be stuff you use camping. We installed this thing and I couldn't be more happy with it. The deck system, but now everything that we need for cooking, spices, blah blah blah, we have in one side, and then the other side we have tools, recovery equipment, saws, axes, etc. We have a feeling this is going to work amazing for us. It has so far. So this is the first time showing it on the video. If you follow us on Instagram and Facebook, you've already seen what we've been doing. But this is the first time the weather's kind of been nice enough where we can actually show you guys outside without getting soaked, which I really didn't want to do because the temperatures are cold. So what we're going to do now is we are going to put the camera on the table and we're going to open up the tent for you. It's only been open once, and that's when it was installed. Joanne has never seen it open yet, so hey, let's do that next.
Oh, the window whistles down the cold dark street tonight. And the people, they were dancing to the music vibe. And the boys chase the girls with the curls in their hair, while the shots are meant that you sit way over there. And the songs get louder, each one better than before. And you're singing the songs, thinking this is a life. And you wake up in the morning and your head feels twice the size. Where you gonna go, where you gonna go, where you gonna sleep tonight? And you're singing the songs, thinking this is a life. And you wake up in the morning and your head feels twice the size. Where you gonna go, where you gonna go, where you gonna sleep tonight? Where you gonna sleep tonight? Front door, but nobody's in and nobody's home till 4. So you're sitting there with nothing to do, talking about a rapper Ragger and his Malay crew. And where you gonna go, where you gonna sleep tonight? And you're singing the songs, thinking this is a life. And you wake up in the morning and your head feels twice the size. Where you gonna go, where you gonna go, Where you gonna sleep tonight? And you're singing the songs, thinking this is the life. And you wake up in the morning and your head feels twice the size. Where you gonna go? Where you gonna go? Where you gonna sleep tonight? Where you gonna sleep tonight?
Yeah, so I think this is going to work great for what we want to do. It's going to make winter camping, geez, a heck of a lot easier. You're off the ground. We've got a diesel heater on order, so that's just going to, you know, take that chill off, get that moisture out of the air when you're sleeping. I think it's going to work great for what we want to do. And I love the design. I love the way it looks on the truck. Perfect. What do you think?
Love the sunroof.
Like the sunroof?
Yeah, this is going to be amazing. I'm so stoked. We got to go camping.
We will. As soon as the diesel heater gets here. All right, guys. That's it. We appreciate you tuning in. And until next time,
Get out there, enjoy life, and find your moments.
see you guys later.